Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Renewed calls this evening for Caribbean nations, including Jamaica, to strengthen trade with Africa. The recent calls were made on Wednesday at the Realign Conference 2025. Nakinski Robinson reports.
With the global economic order shifting and the traditional trade relationships under strain, stakeholders are sounding the alarm. Speaking at the Realign 2025 conference, opposition spokesperson on trade Anthony Hilton says it is time for the Caribbean to break new ground by pursuing strategic trade agreements with Africa.
Establishing the Africa-Caribbean Free Trade Agreement would see tariff reductions, harmonized standards, and a well-defined trade policy framework, enabling direct interregional trade while ensuring transparency, efficiency, resiliency, and mutual benefits through expanded market access.
Calling it a moment of untapped potential, Mr. Hilton says a trade pact could open the gateway to a transformative era of economic growth.
Integrating logistics is essential, therefore, to opening up and mobilizing the full potential of Africa-Caribbean trade, reducing delivery times and enhancing supply chain efficiency. Today, Africa-Caribbean trade is largely routed through Europe or North America, resulting in high shipping costs and delays. Therefore, establishing direct shipping lanes would reduce transit time by up to 40%.
But the call goes beyond a trading agreement. There's a strategic push to position Jamaica as a major logistics hub. To make this leap, he says leaders must be willing to reframe their worldview.
But I think after COVID and the disruption that we are now experiencing, I think people are seeing the value of having a logistic hub.
According to the International Trade Center, ITC, opportunities between Africa and the Caribbean has a $1 billion value in both goods and services.
All categories of fuel will see increases effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline will be increased by $1.18, and 90 gasoline will sell for $1.22 more. Automotive diesel will see $4.50 being added to the current price, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will also be hiked by $4.50. Kerosene will see $4.50 being added to the price. The cost of propane will, however, increase by 95 cents, while butane will also be increased by 95 cents. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the extra refining rate offered by Petrojam. And the JSE index declined by 1,120 points, while the junior market index declined by 16 points. The winners include Iron Rock Insurance Company, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, JFP Limited, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, and Proven Group. The losers include R.A. Williams Distributors, Sagicor Real Estate Fund, The Lab, JMB Group Limited, 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference share, and Caribbean Producers Jamaica, a teen stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $161.22. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.57. The pound is going for $219.44, while the euro is selling for $187.75. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.